Hello, welcome to another cool video. In this video, you will learn how to restore your burnt out light bulbs back to working like the first day. In the first step, we separate the lower part of the lamp using the required tools to reach the bulb of the lamp. This step is a bit time-consuming, and after this step, in the second step, you must use a necessary tool to break the bottom bubble and remove the contents of the lamp. After removing the contents of the lamp, use a tissue to clean the inside of the lamp so that it can spread better light. We shape the LED bases according to the video so that it can be better soldered to the battery cover. Using hot glue, we connect the bulb that we have already prepared to the LED and the battery cover. You can turn on and use this interesting pocket lamp using a 9-volt battery, and you will see how this bubble lamp spreads light well. If you are looking for creative and interesting ideas, you can subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.